Hello dear class 10 students, I hope you all are doing well. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you some of the most important diagrams in biology and physics. So now if I talk about in biology, the most important diagram is the neuron. Secondly, the internal structure of heart. Thirdly, human brain. Fourth one is human excretory system and human digestive system. Well, ইয়াৰ মাজতে মই তোমালোকক এটা স্মল টিপ শেয়াৰ কৰিম। এক্সামত তোমালোকৰ কোৱেশ্চনত ড্ৰ কৰিবলৈ নাহিলেও যেতিয়া এটা আনসাৰ লিখা, always try to support your answer with the help of a diagram. For example, amoebar nutritionৰ কথা সুধিলে NCERT থকা amoebar nutrition processৰ diagramটো draw কৰি দিবা। It will not only impress your answer, but there will be nothing left to deduct anything from your answer. আৰু proper definition to পাহৰি গলে diagram to draw কৰিলেও at least you will get some marks. I hope you all understood. Next, physics or most important diagram to hoise ray diagram. So practice the ray diagram for image formation by concave and convex mirror. So guys, exam jodi ray diagram or pra numericals ahe, don't forget to support the solution with the help of a ray diagram. Second important diagram is human eye and defects of vision and their correction. So guys, what are the defects? Yes, myopia and its correction by convex lens, right? And other defect is hypermetropia. So hypermetropia can be corrected by using concave lens. Also guys, don't forget to practice the refraction of light through the glass prism and dispersion of white light by the glass prism. Okay students, so মই মেনশন নকৰা NCERT থকা বাকিবোৰ diagrams তোমালোকে practice কৰিব পাৰা, only if time permits. Otherwise, মই select কৰি দিয়া diagrams কেইটাও more than sufficient. So if you have any doubt, you can comment below and wish you all the best.